As a manufacturer, nothing is more important to you than keeping your equipment up and running smoothly. Unplanned downtime not only damages productivity and drives up production costs, it can also lead to late deliveries, hurt staff morale and customer relations, and lower profitability. So how do you balance it all? Ensuring you're meeting all your compliance objectives, not wasting valuable resources, and contributing to your organization's lean goals. Imagine the efficiency you and your team could gain with one system to manage your operations and provide the data you need to make critical day-to-day decisions. Imagine if you could own your plant operations and not the other way around. The future of maintenance and operations management in manufacturing starts here with Dude Solutions CMMS for better work and asset management. Enjoy unlimited asset tracking and streamlined work order management to do work more efficiently than ever. Preventive and predictive maintenance. Use your work and asset data to know when to do what maintenance to extend the life of your machines. Purchasing and inventory. Manage spare parts, inventory, and more with one intelligent system. Reporting and analysis. Let your data tell your story and help justify resources while benchmarking you against other sites with configurable reporting tools and visual KPIs and charts. Mobile work. Complete work orders and track assets on the go, and even use timers while doing the work with our user-friendly mobile app. Our goal at Dude Solutions is simple: to provide you with the insight you need to better manage equipment maintenance and keep your operations running at peak efficiency. Because better data helps you operate smarter. From food and beverage to oil and gas and everything in between, we've helped thousands of manufacturers transform their operations. When the Dude is by your side, we're an extension of your team. And with implementation and ongoing support, you'll never have to go it alone. To learn more, contact us to set up a personalized demo and see how we can help you own your operations.